Good day everyone, welcome again to our video tutorial about the quartile for the group data. So let us define first what is quartile for the group data. The quartiles are the score points which is divided a distribution into 4 equal parts. So as you can see, we have the example data, okay? We have the table here composed of the scores, frequency, lower boundaries or the LB, cumulative frequency, and we are using the less than cumulative frequency. Okay? So that is less than cumulative frequency. Okay. So we also have the score points. We have 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35, 36 to 40, 41 to 45, 46 to 50. These are the scores and having the interval of 5. So how do we get the interval is equal to 5? So first, count 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So that is 5. Also, the same with the other scores. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So, taglilima po sila. Then, it must be equal to the range of the lower values to the higher values. Okay? So, dapat pare-pareho yung interval nila. And also, the frequency, these are the datas that we collect or maybe given na yung data na yan. Pwede nating itally or hindi. Kasi kapag binigay na yung given, no need to tally. Pero pag ang mga numbers is scattered, okay, so kalat-kalat halimbawa, you need to get the frequency. For example, ilan yung nakakuha ng 46 to 50? So we have 4. Ilan nakakuha ng 41 to 45? We have 8. Ilan nakakuha ng 36 to 40? That's 11. 31 to 35, 9. 26 to 30, 12. And 21 to 25 is 6. So we can total this. This will be the number of participants or student. We must to tally to the total given. So kung halimbawa 50 students yung sinabi sa description or the question, so we must to check if the frequency is tally. So 4 plus 8 plus 11 plus 9 plus 12 plus 6, the total number of frequency is equal to 50. So our n here is 50. Okay? So next one, we have the lower boundaries. How to get the lower boundaries? First, check the lower values on the score points. Okay? Then subtract 0.5. Pag sinabi ng mga higher boundaries, dito tayo titingin. Okay? So dahil lower boundaries ang kukunin natin, dito natin siya kukunin to the lower values minus 0.5. So for example, 46 minus 0.5, that is 45.5. So, sulatin natin. So, for example, we have 46 here. Okay, ayos sumulat. Okay, so let's try 46 minus 0.5 or 0.50 is equal to 45.5. Okay, so the lower boundaries, only you need to write 45.5. Same thing sa ibang mga values. So 41, that would be 40.5. Okay, 36 minus 0.5, that is 35.5. 31 minus 0.5, that is 30.5. 26 minus 0.5, that is 25.5. And lastly, 21 minus 0.5, that is 20.5. Okay, ayan. So that is your lower boundaries. And next one, we have the cumulative frequency. How can we get the cumulative frequency? So we will start at the lower value. Okay, so from here, okay, so first, copy the first value, that is 6. Okay, then the next number would be added to the next number, which is 12. So 6 plus 12, okay, so diyan natin siya i-add. 6 plus 12, that is 18. Okay, ganun lang, 6, copy, then the next number is 12. So 6 plus 12, that is 18. Okay, next 18 plus 9, that is 27. Okay, the next one, 27 plus 11, that is 38. Excuse me, 38 plus 8, that is 46. And then 46 plus 4 is equal to 50. As you can see, those frequency is connected. Okay, and the total at the last value is 50 is equal to the number of participants or the scores. So we have equal. So the number is equal, it must be equal. Okay, so yan po yung ating mga data na gagamitin natin to get the quartiles. It depends sa quartiles kung ano gagamitin natin, if quartile 1, 2, or 3. Okay, so after we get the values, so we will get the formula. Okay, so anong gagamitin natin yung formula? So in finding the quartile group data, so we will use quartile K is equal to the lower boundaries plus the quantity of Kn over 4 minus the less than cumulative frequency over the frequency of the quartile, okay, times the interval. Okay? So, itong formula natin, dito lahat natin siya kukunin. Okay? Sa data natin. Okay? So, first, hahanapin muna natin kung saang class score ang kukunin natin. So, first, let us discuss the formula. Quartile K, kung ano yung K mo, kung ano yung hinahanap mong position. Halimbawa, quartile 1. So, that will be Q1. Quartile 2, Q2. Quartile 3, that is Q3. Q2, Q3, and then that is our QK. Okay? And for the lower boundary, dito naman natin siya kukunin, depende kung saan tatapat sa cumulative frequency. K is the number of quartile, wherein N is equal to 1, 2, 3 lang. And the N, this will be the total frequency. Okay? And then over 4 as is yan kung quartile. Pag decile, over 10 ang gagamitin natin. Pag percentile, over 100. Minus the less than cumulative frequency. When we say less than cumulative frequency, ang kukunin natin is yung nasa baba nung tatapat na frequency over the frequency. Okay, kung saan tumapat yung frequency nating hinahanap. And lastly, the interval. The interval, nandito lang po yung interval natin, kung ilan yung distance or range nung bawat scores. Okay, so let us proceed. So first, formulate to calculate the class or the quartile class. Hanapin muna natin kung saan class siya. So, ang gagamitin natin, itong Kn over 4. So, first step, okay, find the class. Kung saan class gagamitin natin using Qk is equal to Kn over 4. Okay, so Kn over 4, what is your K? Okay, so our K, for example, we need to find quartile 1. So Q1 is equal to 1 times N. What is your N? 50 over 4. Okay, so our K is 1, our N is 50, and 4. So then, 50 divided by 4, that is, 50 times 1 is 50, same lang din, then divided by 4, that is 15, 25, tapos atin yung 25, that is 12.5. So, our quartile 1 is equal to 12.5. Okay, so meron na tayong class, quartile class. So, 12.5 ang kukunin natin. So, 12.5, hahanapin natin sa cumulative frequency. Saan siya nakapaloob? Okay? So, as you can see, we started at 6. So, yung 6, hindi siya nakapaloob doon. Okay? So, 18, pasok si 12.5. Okay? Titignan lang natin, kailangan it's either lumampas siya doon sa class na ating nakuha. So 12.5 is belong to the cumulative frequency of 18. So itong 18 na ito, i-highlights natin or ibabox din natin. Okay? So because this data is needed to our formula. Okay? So halimbawa nakuha mo na yan. Next one, we have to proceed to our formula. Okay? So, maybe here na lang. So, hatiin ko na lang. So, to proceed to the formula, quartile K, okay, yung K natin is 1, quartile 1. And the lower boundary, okay, ang LB natin is 25.5. Okay? So, that is 25.5. Okay? And then, plus, parenthesis, kn over 4. Ang kn over 4 natin, ito po yan. So, 1 times 50 divided by 4. Okay? Minus the cumulative frequency. Okay? So, sa cumulative frequency, ang kukunin natin, hindi yung 18. Less than cumulative frequency. So, before the cumulative frequency, which is 6. So, minus 6. Okay? And then, yung denominator, the frequency of the data. So, ano yung frequency mo? Tumapat, that is 12. Okay, so ang frequency mo dyan ay 12. Okay, so the frequency is 12. Frequency of the quartile is 12. Sir, bakit hindi natin gagamitin sa 18? 18 is only the sign para doon natin kukunin lahat ng mga data na nasa paligid natin. Okay? So, kumbaga magiging pattern lang natin. Next, times the interval. Ang interval natin ay 5. Okay? So, kung kukunin natin by data, so write the given. So, our n is equal to 50. The cumulative frequency natin, ang kinuha natin is yung 6. Okay, so before the highlights, ayan. And then, the frequency. Ano yung frequency na tumapat? Ito po yan, the frequency, 12. So, that is 12. And then, the lower boundary is 25.5. LB is 25.5. And lastly, the interval is equal to 5. So, ito na po yung ating isa-solve. So, first, we need to follow the PEMDAS. Okay, inside the parentheses yung unahin natin before we proceed to the outside of the formula. Okay, so Q1 is equal to 25.5 and 1 times 5 divided by 4, that is 12.5. Don't forget the addition sign. 12.5 minus 6 over 12 times 5. Okay. The next one, proceed tayo. Q1 is equal to 25.5 plus 12.5 minus 6 is equal to 6.5 divided by 12 times 5. Okay? Next. Okay, sorry. Q1 is equal to 25.5 plus 6.5. Okay, and then 6.5 divided by 12. Then, imomultiply sa ating 5. Okay, so, wait for a while. So, that is 6.5 divided by 12 is 0.541 and so on. Okay, so pwede na din natin dyang 0.54 and so on. Pero as much as possible, okay, isama natin yung continuous number niya, multiply sa 5 times 5. So that is equal to Q1 is equal to 25.5 plus 0.5 times 5, that is 2.708 and so on. Okay, and then add plus, okay, plus 25.5, that would be Q1 is equal to 28.208333 and so on. So we must to simplify as to two decimal places, that is 28.21. So round off na natin tong 8 sa 1. So that would be Q1 is equal to 28.21. Okay? So that would be your quartile 1 in finding the quartile group data. Okay, so if you're going to find the decile, change first the denominator ito 10. Kapag naman percentile, gawin mong 100. And the same process, ganun din po yung gagawin natin in finding the lower boundaries, the Kn, then the cumulative frequency, the frequency. If you have question, then you can ask through chat or sa inyong mga messenger, and then, or you can chat on the comment section. Okay? So, my question is, find, okay, find the quartile 3 and comment your answer on the comment section to get your prizes. Okay, same data ang gagamitin natin, but you need to find quartile 3. That's all. Thank you.